Microsoft released Copilot Pro, which is basically the latest upgraded version of the recently releases Microsoft Copilot. So the Microsoft Copilot Pro is basically a new subscription that delivers the most advanced features and capabilities of Microsoft Copilot to now individuals who are looking to supercharge their Copilot experience. So whether you need advanced help with writing, coding, designing, researching, or learning, so now Copilot Pro brings great performance, productivity, and creativity for all those users. So as you guys know, the Copilot Pro recently was only accessible to the business people and enterprisers, but now with the Copilot Pro, all the individuals who are looking to get access and use the features of Microsoft Copilot can use Copilot Pro without any problem. So as you guys can see, so now with Copilot Pro, you can gain priority access to GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo, including during peak times for accelerated performance. And this is what the amazing part is. Now you can get access Copilot in Microsoft 365 apps to draft documents, summarize emails, create presentations, and much more, okay? So basically in this video, I'll guide you the whole process to get Copilot Pro and how you can integrate your Copilot Pro in your Microsoft 365 apps. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Alright, so for accessing Copilot Pro in your Microsoft 365 apps, you need to go ahead and do two things, okay? First of all, you need to go ahead and get the subscription of Copilot Pro, which will be $20 per month. And in that, you'll get lots of these features, which are get access to GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo. You can get access to Copilot in the Microsoft 365 apps, which is really, really amazing. And then you can create AI images with DALL-E 3 as well in landscape format, even faster with 100 boosts per day. So yeah, these all amazing features you can get with Copilot Pro. So this is one thing you have to do. And the next thing is you need to make sure that you have subscribed to the Microsoft 365, okay? So if you're not willing to pay for the Microsoft 365, don't worry, it will be free for the first month. So you can go ahead and subscribe to that without paying any money, all right? Okay, so once you are signed in with your Microsoft 365, so after that, you need to go ahead and, get the subscription of Copilot Pro. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit Get Copilot Pro. And yeah, as you guys can see, this will basically ask me to confirm the subscription, which will be $20 plus applicable taxes every month. Okay, so by hitting subscribe, you can go ahead and get the subscription to the new Microsoft Copilot Pro, all right? All right, so after you are subscribed to everything and you have paid $20, so this will basically be the interface, like the whole page of Copilot Pro, where it says your everyday AI companion, and it's powered by Bing, as you guys can see. So now with that, you can go ahead and, get information about travel. You can go ahead and do chat, organize, compare, laugh, create, make a song with Suna, and literally do lots of things with that. And what's the best part is, now you can choose the conversation style as well in Copilot Pro, which is really amazing. So you can go ahead and do the creative one. You can do the fast, balanced one. So it would go ahead and give you the balanced results, but really, really fast. And for the GPT-4, you can go ahead and do precise. This will take a little bit of time, but your answer, your output is going to be really, really precise, okay? And just like that, on the right side, we have the option of recent activities. So any chat you do with Copilot Pro, you can go ahead and browse in the recent activity as well. Then we have the options of plugins, right? So this, you can go ahead and choose up to 3 plugins for a conversation. To change plugins after you started conversation, select new topic, okay? So now we have these plugins right now for our Copilot Pro. So we have Instacart, so you can ask for recipe, discover the ingredients you need, then get it all delivered from local stores. We have Kyle, you can search flights, stays and rental cars, or get recommendations. You can search and compare prices from thousands of online shops only available in the US. And we have Open Table Shop Suno, so you can now make a song with Suno as well, okay? So this is really, really cool. And you can go ahead and enhance your search with the power of the web. So yeah, these are the plugins you can go ahead and use in Copilot Pro without any problem, okay? So let's just say if I go ahead and ask one of the questions from here, which is give me a list of the hobbies I could pursue with limited free time. So let's say if I ask this from Copilot Pro, so it's generating the response for me and it's saying, sure, here are the hobbies you could consider that don't require a lot of time, which is reading, writing, drawing, painting, learning a new language, gardening, and lots of those things. So these are really basic answers. So now let's just go ahead and use one of these plugins So let's just say I use this kayak plugin, right? Okay, first of all, we have to select new topic as it says. All right. So now we can select plugins. So let's just say if I go ahead and use this kayak plugin, so we can search flights, stays in rental cars, or get recommendation where you can go for a budget. All right, so let's say if I ask Copilot Pro that I have to book a flight from San Francisco to Tempe, show me the best affordable flights options, or you can say right now, okay? And if I can go ahead and hit enter, so now you can see it's basically using the kayak plugin, as you guys can see right over here, okay? So yeah, by using it, it will show me some affordable flight options from San Francisco to Tempe for January 2024. So we have Frontier non-stop departure at this, then we have American Airlines, United Airlines, and all the airlines. And not only that, we can go ahead and book any of these flights from here as well, which means it also provided me the link to book all of the flights that it showed me with this. So this is a really, really amazing feature. And just like that, you can basically do lots of stuff. You can get organized data, you can compare, you can even make a song, which is really, really cool. If I can show you right over here. So I created one song from Copilot Pro, and it provided me all the verses and everything, and it also provided me with the song as well. All right, so this was basically the interface of Copilot Pro. So now let's just go ahead and go to our main part, which is how you can integrate Copilot Pro in your Microsoft apps and how you can use the Copilot Pro in your apps like really, really efficiently. Okay, so for that, you need to go ahead and go to your Microsoft 365 and you need to subscribe that. You need to go ahead and get the plus version of that, which is for the first month is all free. So it will be really easy. And after that, so this will be the homepage of Microsoft 365 where it says, you can get the mobile app, you can share a subscription and also the cool features. But why we are here? We are here for the Copilot Pro integration, right? So for that, you can go ahead and first of all, go to any of these apps. Let's just say I go to Excel and I can go ahead and create a blank workbook. All right, so as you guys can see, so now I am in my Microsoft Excel, and in that we have a tab bar, and at the end, you can see now we get the option of Copilot, okay? So if I can go ahead and click this, so this will be my Copilot preview. So you can just select an option to learn how I can work with your data in Excel tabs. So straight away, if you want, you can go ahead and ask a question about your data. So let's just say I start with an Excel table and I try an example. So now Copilot basically provides with the example that I can get more help from Copilot in that. So that is really cool. So now I can ask questions about this data. I can update the data. I can edit data, just whatever I want. I can ask question about this. I can get information. So let's just say if I say show data insights, okay? So it's working, it's analyzing our data. So it basically provided an insight to that. And now if I can go ahead and click add to a new sheet. So now it's inserting content to our sheet. And now you can see the insight has been added along with our data. Okay. All right. And just like that, we can go ahead and analyze our data as well. So if I can go ahead and analyze, so it basically it's analyzed the shown inside the chart. So it basically has analyzed the pivot chart based on our prompt. And now we can go ahead and add this to our sheet. So just like that, you can go ahead and play with your data with the Copilot. You can ask questions as well, just the way you want it now with your Copilot Pro in your Microsoft 365 apps. All right. So yeah, I hope you like this quick tutorial of downloading and setting up your Copilot Pro in your Microsoft 365 apps. So in the next videos, I'll be showing you the exact process of how you can do that effective prompting with Copilot Pro in your Microsoft 365 apps and get the most out of it as you can, okay? So yeah, I hope to see you guys in that video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.